kailaliman ng aking puso. Maraming salamat. Ito pong mga tao ko, hindi ko dito normally kumakanta eh. Hindi naman nakakit na stage. Maraming salamat. Ayoko na, iyak na ako. Thank you talaga.
Ay, dito pa doon. Dito ka, wapo ka. Okay, may we call on Papa G. What's your birthday wish?
Student grade of 40. Welcome to the club.
And then,
happy birthday, Lord. Sana lalo ka sumaksi. And good luck in the rest.
Hello, happy birthday. Lakas mo talaga sa akin. Kahit boses manok eh. Welcome to the club and I hope you enjoy your birthday. We wish you all the best. Okay.
Happy birthday, Balon. Welcome to the club. Pasensya ka na sa konting kakayanan namin. Happy birthday.
okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. May we call on the next performer?
Ivan and Company.